What if the future of space exploration isn't entirely human? What if our next leap into the cosmos isn't taken by an astronaut, but by a humanoid robot? Welcome to a world where science fiction meets reality, where technology and humanity intertwine in a dance that could change the face of space exploration forever. Enter Valkyrie, a humanoid robot standing at a formidable 6 feet 2 inches tall and weighing a hefty 300 pounds. Born from the innovative minds at NASA and tested at the Johnson Space Center in Houston, Valkyrie is more than just a marvel of modern engineering. It's a potential game-changer for space exploration. Designed to operate in degraded or damaged environments, Valkyrie could handle risky tasks in space, tasks that would otherwise put human lives in jeopardy. Imagine a robot cleaning solar panels in the harsh vacuum of space, or inspecting malfunctioning equipment in an environment too dangerous for a human. That's the promise of Valkyrie. But NASA isn't stopping there. In a collaboration with robotics companies like Aptronic, they are exploring how humanoid robots developed for terrestrial purposes could benefit future humanoid robots destined for space. One such robot is Apollo, a humanoid robot designed for tasks in warehouses and manufacturing plants. Imagine a future where robots like Apollo could be repurposed for space missions. The possibilities are as vast as the cosmos itself. From performing routine maintenance on spacecraft to conducting scientific experiments, the role of humanoid robots in space could be as diverse as it is revolutionary. In conclusion, the future of space exploration could very well be in the hands of humanoid robots like Valkyrie and Apollo. By taking on hazardous tasks and operating in environments too hostile for humans, these robots could not only revolutionize our approach to space exploration, but also ensure the safety of the brave men and women who venture into the unknown. So, as we gaze up at the stars and dream of what lies beyond, remember this: the future isn't just about where we're going, but who or what is leading the way.